So we're going to be looking at the Slogo 360, which is a 360-degree base here that will allow a person to do an iPad video here. We're going to just get ourselves set here, and we're going to see how this works.
She looks cooler because she has the hair.
Got a little dizzy.
I got really dizzy. You didn't see me like almost fall
Yeah,
over
I did
and
see
kill
you.
his whole
I did see you.
Okay, yeah, you almost saw me like almost break his system. Alright, okay, well.
Does it start recording when it goes fast or as soon as it starts?
The first is
So first thing he does is he adjusts to the person. The attendant would adjust to it. Set the lighting.
that's when it'll start. The third thing is
This is all controlled with the app on his phone right there. And it stops. Can jump out. And now we can check the video.
the legs will always come to its own position.
Nice. I'm gonna hop in there for the next one.
Very cool. For more information on the Slogo 360, you can go to the ataphotoBooth.com website, and they'll have this information up in just a little bit on their website of the Slogo 360.